Right, so we're down here Australia Day. I'm here with the family, Paul, Maxie's down here. We've got the 240s and the 60, and it's such a beautiful day down here. But what can you do? I've just bumped into Roddy here, and he's got the most mint 60. I just had to stop him, have a chat with him, see what's going on. And it's that good that we've got to have a look under the bonnet. We've got to check out inside. Yeah. It's, you've got yourself a perler here, mate. It's really, really nice. So, so look, first of all, tell me when you got it.
Picked it up off my old man. He originally got it off his best mate.
Yep.
And it was just a bit of a bush pig, bit of a farm rig.
Yeah.
And his plans were to build it up for touring and beach trips just like this.
Yeah.
So we've sort of taken it off his hands and done a few little things to it.
Yeah, cool.
To turn it into that sort of beach tour.
No, it's a beautiful thing, man. And it's going to annoy a few people out there. This thing is that mint. The gutters are that perfect, and it's good to see it on the beach. And that's going to annoy a few people, but what the hell. Yeah. We've got, so talk us through it, right? We've got bull bar up the front here. Looks like it's an Outback Accessories thing going on there.
Yeah, it's pretty slim profile, just tucked in nice and close.
Yeah.
You really want the big, chunky like 5-post like you see some of them got.
You put the light bar on there?
Yeah, we did. Just a King's light bar.
Yeah, they're good. They're nice, affordable and all that. So, tyres, you put them on recently?
Yeah, we chucked a Bridgestone all-terrain on there, 33s, 285 75 by 16s.
Yeah.
And yeah, they're perfect for just driving around town as a daily and this sort
they're
of stuff.
Quiet.
Yeah.
They're quiet. Let the tyres down. They're perfect. They've got loads of coverage. Like, you're just never going to get stuck in this thing.
Yeah.
Right, going back from there, you got they look like factory side step.
Yeah, they came with the car. They're perfect for just getting in and out.
Yeah, it's definitely.
That's all you need.
So you got the Rhino rack on there just for the awning. It's perfect.
It's the ARB.
Yeah, cool. Sure. Yeah, nice and simple. Gets a bit of shade out there on the beach. Yeah, especially when you're on the beach, you need that shade, man.
Definitely.
So other than that, we've got a factory bar on the back. Now, I love the factory look. I mean, you see mine, it's like, it's all over factory apart from the rear bar, but that's come up real good. Single step in the middle.
Yeah.
And now you've got the drop down tailgate, and it's really good for the beach, man.
Yeah, definitely. You can chuck whatever you need in there.
Right, let's get into the important stuff. So under the bonnet, the powerhouse.
Yeah, the old 2H, can't beat it. It's got a DTS turbo kit on it. I'm not sure how much exactly boost it's running. It's probably about 7 PSI, something like that. Yeah. That's all you need.
It goes all right, sounds good.
Yeah.
Exhaust on it?
Yeah, 3-inch straight through exhaust.
Yeah, nice one, perfect. So, so look, this thing is set up for, well, now, you can go touring in it now. You don't have to do anything to it, but obviously you're going to have plans for the future. So what's going on?
There's a few little things I want to do. I might want to sort of set up a drawer or a fridge system in the back. Maybe like a bed set up as well on top of that.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm contemplating whether to put a snorkel on it, but
yeah. You're going to have to make some big decisions if you're going to cut some holes in the guards, that's for sure. So this thing is that beautiful, and it's probably because it's the first month 1990. Yeah. Now, I haven't seen another one. Mine's first month 1990, and they finished in the second or third month 1990. So these are the last of the 60s, man. A bit of a special thing you got going on. Right. Listen, let's go inside, because I know it's mint in there as well. You got to see this, guys. Yeah. So just check it out in here. You really have found yourself a beautiful 60 here, man. This thing, the dash is immaculate. You've got the single DIN stereo in RC, so they've done away with the factory double DIN. GME stereo, very nice indeed. Turbo timer, that all works?
Yeah, that's all running.
Yeah, you need that stuff, man. Protect your engine. So I see that the driver's seat has had a little retrim here. On the sides, they always go on the sides, but you weren't involved with anything to do with that?
No, I think that was the previous.
Yeah, cool. But just look at it, man. Factory center console. Don't do anything in here, man. Leave it like this. Look,
it's pretty.
It's beautiful. It's you got all the electric windows are all working, tinted windows. This thing is set up, man. You're a lucky boy, I tell you. I'm excited for you in the future with this thing. It's going to be awesome. So, well, look. Enjoy Australia Day. Thank you for showing me around your rig.
No worries.
It's absolutely awesome. Nice one. So Roddy's gone back to enjoy Australia Day on the beach. I don't blame him, man. I'm going back to do the same thing, crack a cold one. Just check this 60 out. You don't see them like this very often.